Before beginning level K, the child needs to know all the uppercase and lowercase letters by name and the sounds they make. Some vowels and consonants make more than one sound. The child only needs to know the most common sounds of each letter before starting the course. When you come to the assessments, following the instructions, it says complete the following assessment. If the child needs help in any of the areas, consider having the child read books from Beginner Box C, which practices the phonics principles taught in Unit 3 for several days or weeks before moving to Unit 4. This is really important as it helps them to solidify the phonics principles before they move on, and so that they don't end up having a harder time in the next unit and then not liking to do school anymore because it's too hard. You want to foster a love for learning, not push them too hard. So it's okay to get stuck at the end of a unit. I've had a kiddo that at every unit assessment has needed to stop and reread the beginner box books. And that's okay. That's just what we do for language arts until they're ready to move on. If they're struggling with these words, I will find lessons where we cover them and go through those lessons again along with the book, or we'll just practice the words kind of like sight words. And we'll just kind of do that for their language arts until they've completed all the books in the box. When they've completed the box, I will assess them again, and if they master it, then we move on. If we need more practice, then we just do it again, and that's okay.
Here's the table of contents. Section 1. After completing lesson 54 in level K, the child should read and reread this section until he or she can read most of the words without too much hesitation.
Mm-hmm. These pages are like printer paper with a slight gloss to them. So as you can see here, they will crease and fold and hold that crease and fold really easily. So I have stored my mini books in a quart-size Ziploc bag. And I have separated them out by unit. So unit 1's facing this direction, unit 2, unit 3, and then unit 4 back here. And I even have little unit markers in there. I put little notes in there so that when we're going through it, I see what unit's on top. And then as we pull out a book and go through it, when we're done, I just stick it in the back to keep it rotated. You will notice that my books are laminated. I cut them in half like the instructions said, and then I ran them through the laminator and put them together because I just wanted them to be a little sturdier as I have little hands working with them. All right, she's off to play, so I'm gonna finish these up. Here's how the pages looked when I separated them and laminated them. So I'm just going to show you Unit 5's books like this because I haven't made it that far in my prep.